Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any watermark from your video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to remove watermark from your video, you can visit this website, onlinevideocutter.com, and then you're going to upload your video right here. Just click on open file, and then you're going to choose the video that you want to remove watermark from. I'm going to select this video guys, and I'm going to remove this watermark, and the step is very simple. You just need to select the watermark like this, and it will be automatically removed from your video, and just click on apply. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video, and the result is not that bad. It's still acceptable, and if you want to export it, just click on export, and you will be able to export it in this quality. Just click on export. Oops, sorry. Okay, sorry guys, there's something wrong, but usually I can save it for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove any watermark from your video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.